Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the super handy tools in the Delaverse playground, the file database node. It's like your personal vault for storing and organizing all those important files, making your workflows smoother and more efficient. Yeah, imagine having a central spot where you can upload and manage files like PDFs, Word docs, Excel sheets, and more. Perfect for customer lists, marketing plans, or any data you need for your AI agents. This node keeps everything secure and ready to integrate into your automated processes, saving you time and hassle while boosting your productivity in Delaverse. Getting started is a breeze. Log into your Delaverse playground, head to the menu on the side, and look for the File Database node. Just click it and drag it onto your canvas. Give it a fun name like My Marketing Vault to keep things organized right from the start. Once it's on the canvas, open up the File Management area. You can drag and drop your files or browse to select them. Think customer data in Excel, campaign guidelines in PDF, or even JSON files with analytics. It supports a bunch of formats like Word, PowerPoint, HTML, CSV, and more. So whatever you've got, it's covered. From there, connect it to other nodes in your workflow, like a vector database for deeper analysis or an AI assistant to pull in the data automatically. It's all about making your setups flow seamlessly. Want to level up? Pro tips. Always use clear, descriptive names for your files and group them by category. It'll make finding things a snap later. Double check your files for the right format and no errors before uploading. And don't forget to update them regularly to keep your data fresh and your workflows spot on. With the File Database node, you're empowered to build smarter, more secure workflows that handle your files like a pro. No more digging through folders or worrying about data safety, just pure efficiency and creativity in Delaverse. Give it a try today and watch how it transforms your projects. Rock it!